Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese bagel and a labneh bagel in a different way. First, we need to think of something a little positive for it to become a delicious sandwich and eat it with pleasure. So you can say to yourself, I'm going to make a really delicious sandwich that will give me energy all day long. This recipe is very easy and excellent at any time you feel hungry. So first we need bagels. You can choose any type. We have brown bagel here and just a standard bagel. Cut the bread into 2 pieces like so. Then spread it with butter. Then we grill it just like this until it's nice and brown. Then put mozzarella cheese slices. Put the yellow cheddar cheese slices. Put it on the grill, and then we start cutting the vegetables. We put tomato slices, and orange peppers, and yellow peppers. Colored peppers have a different flavor than green peppers. Then we put spinach, then this is the secret ingredient. We put crunchy potato chips. You can choose any flavor, but I prefer just the normal ones. We put it on the grill for a few minutes. To make the other sandwich, cut the orange peppers and yellow peppers and tomatoes. Spread the bagel with olive oil. Grill the bagel until it's nice and brown. Then we spread labneh, which is a type of Middle Eastern yogurt similar to Greek yogurt, except it's a little more sour. You can use cream cheese and even cottage cheese. Then we put the tomato slices and yellow pepper and orange pepper and spinach. We also spread some labneh on the top piece as well. Then we put the crunchy potato chips. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.